We're making our way to the Musgrave Market. It is the largest market in the eastern end of the island, and it was partially destroyed by fire over 2 years ago. It's never easy filming in these areas, and I've been warned several times by people not wanting to be on camera. So join me as I take the challenge of exploring our town on one of the craziest market days of the year. We are now at the Port Antonio Marina. We are on the back end of the market. It's quite beautiful here. But let's go inside and see what's happening in the market. Friday is the busiest day for vendors and shoppers. It's a day when vendors travel from as far away as St. Elizabeth to descend on this small town with fruit and vegetables, as they compete with our local farmers from here in Portland. The action starts early, just about the break of dawn, and the place is jam-packed with shoppers as they try to get the best that's on offer. It can be noisy as everything is discussed in these tight spaces, from the latest news, politics, cash pot.
Yeah man, original.
Yes, everything, you know.
Original soup, you know. What kind of soup today?
Red beef.
Inside.
Soon this place will be buzzing with the smell of fresh food and vegetables fill the air,
Exciting, you know?
and the vibrant colors of the fruits and food are a feast to the eyes.
Yeah, you know that one.
I'm excited to dive in this bustling market and see what else it has to offer. Going through this crowd is never easy. It can be a bit challenging at times. I've been coming here for years, and it seems like everyone knows each other. And the vendors are always happy to hold a conversation.
One just left us there.
As I make my way around, I'm surrounded by the sound of lively chatter, sound of car horn, and the smell of chicken, jerk chicken, fill the air.
You started that.
Let's head to Port Maria and see what's happening there. Here it's been raining and it's still overcast. Well, let's push on, see what we can find. From Port Antonio to Port Maria. It's been good. See you in the next one.